Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have your Office 2007 product key and a backup of important documents. Once done, check Windows Update and install any pending service packs because Office updates often rely on system components. Next, close all Office programs and right-click the Update Installer or Setup file to run as administrator so permissions won't block changes. This reduces common failures and prepares your system. After that, proceed to download updates or the original setup media and keep the key handy. You now handle the core update process. If Microsoft Update supports Office 2007 on your system, use it to fetch Service Pack 3 and subsequent security patches. Otherwise, manually download SB3 first, then apply security rollups. Install updates one at a time so you can catch errors and reboot when prompted, because some patches replace shared system files. Make sure to run an Office program after installing each major update to confirm functionality. If an installer reports a missing prerequisite, install that. You finish by validating and addressing problems. After the last update, open Word or Excel and test templates, add-ins, and file opening. If an application fails, use Control Panel to run repair or Microsoft Office diagnostics to fix registry and file association issues. If problems persist, check Event Viewer and update log files for error codes. Then uninstall the most recent update and reinstall Service Pack 3 before reapplying security patches. A key tip: disable problematic add-ins briefly to determine if they.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.